As the temperatures rise, it's not just the weather that's heating up.
The latest AI-powered tech from Microsoft is also making waves this summer, and lifestyle contributor Limor has the scoop on the hottest tech finds.
We know how much AI is changing how we live, work, and create. And with that in mind, Microsoft and its partners are ushering in a new era of PCs with AI-infused technology. They've introduced these Copilot PCs, the fastest and most intelligent Windows PCs ever. First up, we have the ASUS Vivobook S15. This laptop is perfect for seamless productivity, creativity, and entertainment, all without sacrificing battery life. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon X Elite processor, it offers enhanced security, speed, and personalization. With Copilot in Windows and powerful ASUS AI applications, the Vivobook S15 makes your computing experience faster, smarter, and smoother. You can find this one online at asus.com. Next, we have the HP OmniBook X AI PC. This ultra-mobile laptop boasts an incredible 26 hours of battery life and runs AI locally for top performance and efficiency. Built around the Snapdragon X Elite processor, it offers lightning-fast responsiveness, opening large Microsoft files almost twice as fast. You can find this one at hp.com. So there you have it. Whether at home, the office, or anywhere in between, Microsoft technology has all of your personal PC needs covered.